In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Asana. If you've ever wondered where to put meeting takeaways, project context, or quick updates inside a task, Asana makes this simple by giving you two clear places to capture information: the description for long-form notes and the comments for ongoing updates or feedback. I'll walk you through both so you know exactly where each type of note belongs. First, open the task you want to work with. From any view, list, board, or calendar, just click the task name to open the details pane on the right. This pane is the home base for everything related to that task. If you don't see it at first, make sure you've actually clicked the task title. The details should slide out and show you all the fields tied to it. Now, let's place long-form notes in the description. Click directly into the description box near the top of the task. This is the best spot for structured, evergreen information, things like background context, goals, meeting notes, or decisions that shouldn't get buried. Type your notes in clear sections so teammates can scan quickly. Short paragraphs, simple headers, and an opening summary make a big difference. Asana automatically saves as you type, so you won't need to worry about losing your work. If you're pasting from somewhere else, give it a quick cleanup so it's easy to read. Think of the description as the single source of truth for what the task is about and what matters most. Next, use the comments area for updates and feedback. Scroll to the bottom of the task and click into the comment box. This is where you post time-stamped progress updates, ask quick questions, or share brief feedback that moves the task forward. Comments are designed for conversation and momentum, short, focused, and tied to the timeline of the work. When you post a comment, it shows up in the task's activity feed, so anyone following the task can see what changed and when. If you're sharing a quick status, start with a clear label like update or blocker and keep it direct. If your message is longer-term context, consider moving it to the description instead so it doesn't get lost. To recap, click the task to open its details, capture comprehensive notes in the description, and share timely updates in the comments. Using each space for its purpose keeps your team aligned and your information easy to find. Try it on a live task today and you'll see how much smoother your collaboration becomes.